Ebro funti no kre.
Yeah.
Yeah, ebro funti no kre. Ala.
Yeah, man.
Nti wada man aka no obit me repeat ya ama yemi.
Yes.
Now see there.
With a voice like mine, you can never be sad. Energetic, very encouraging, motivational.
Oka ba ku bi kan o make sure say no yin film.
There.
Me imagine so be yin film.
There. Can I say? I'm always coming up with new words. So if I forget, then pardon me, bro. Tell me what was that?
Sir.
Yeah.
Don't kai.
No.
And kai do kai, but then no kai.
And then di me or no.
Davi.
There.
Oka bro for be.
Oh, na say na obi say me come of time bia different.
There kai. I didn't na o can kind be there o kai na nkwa na wonga.
Say bia me man hu ne say bro for mama. E bia wona hu bi da but me there.
Sir.
Yeah, it's the list of the things I can say. It's not my problem that I am.
You speak good English.
Yeah. I'm able to express myself.
Yeah.
If I say no here, and I'm coming.
That's true.
And you brought chin.
Oh, simple.
The philosopher. No. Don't baby sakwine. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Please, where do they buy food? Where is the toilet? Where is the hospital?
Where is what?
The toilet. Where is the hospital? Asa. Obi ase bro for here no. Obi ka say on bro for
man. Where the washroom na?
So you be in baby washroom. But you say bibi dey. Then a dey. No.
Oh, I saw too politician kakra.
There be me just say, if you ase no bro for no.
You ought to be decorum. You understand?
We start before in the hu here.
The
hand say please. Good afternoon. How are you? I am fine. My name is Felicia. First stage and one no. Where are you going? I am going here.
You are going where?
Here. So we say me kwa. Nana. Bro, how the hand so ma onyira.
Okay.
One say where is the police station? Where is the hospital? Where is the nearest toilet or washroom?
Toilet is
there. No, excuse me, everybody. Excuse me. Maybe cry now. Washroom going mad across. Me just said they make a question and say on table for basic ones way dear. Me hu here. And ko how and ko bisa the curriculum and the environmental and the philosopher I'm obi ka calculate too bro for what I say. Kakre bia. Obi hu asre you are funny. Obi wa you are tall. Obi etia you are short. And the chair is behind and the animal is in front. What we what I say? Abrofo no be rule ye nkwa no man ka go say come here go back enya no number ye then they didn't try hire ho sa abrofo no mo be di ye so de no me bring it take it go back go and sleep enya no mo ye na didn't try for ye hire ho sa no bi tibafo na mo sere ni no
once idea no things has evolved into at least
who near Jani di oh so your brofo say de ha ho and I just say ye nka say nka brofo but otika kra bia ye okay. They want you out chrome. That is all I am saying. And how got twisted to catch them a beer, but for no crowd, one tonight and the son and why a boof papa. One tonight, Harold say, what's Harold? And
as I go for so on per slang in a
me who be though. So I said I want it. Or can the son no until the orchard? So, oh.
On per slang papa.
And your more or my shed that tibro for me who said there's TH no. Also, boy, I often say TH and you have to pronounce so. Oh,
I sang of an air on can say
BBMO. The truth. In fact, bring the book. I am the thing.
Hey,
Omo did omo who say TH or no. So go nim say friend is oh. So, you are laughing too much. In fact, brother, let's be serious. Let's be serious. Oh, who be okazasada? Be a person TH say so pointing it out.
Okay.
Inclusive. Bring them to my room.
Hey, that? Hey. A room is anything, so. Oh, shit. Hey, me dem go for me who am we asem de. Se me na me pa asem o. Se asem na pe me o. Se asem de pe o. Se me ni hokura me hu se bibi si. So. Enne de mo sem bebre ka. You want it.
Madam me mami ko twa me ho, madam fu bi share me ni monyam weekend di.
Mate.
Me ko jeng aboafo nkrato abamba ye na je se. Me bo ama na esi weekend.
Mpacho you mate.